Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your number one soccer podcast in the land. It's a pass and move brought to you by Ibenaya Foods. As always, I'm your host, Archford Ehatewe. I'm with my brother, Crispin Machisi. Chris, awukho fani mamke sithi Chris.
Angisajayelanga
Uthi Toby.
Uthi
Afa Toby.
ngisho mdala mani.
Mina
Ibinjani
ngiswitche.
i-weekend?
Jale weekend iphethe yonke inyakanyaka. This week, ladies and gentlemen, hey, a lot of interesting things that were
Ah,
happening in the world of football. Khona apha eZimbabwe, we saw a lot of things. Siqale nge-national
national
team.
team. Sesiqalise nge-national team namuhla ukuthi uNesi usenzele
Sibona njani isquad esiyama-friendly. By the way, ngama-friendlies.
ama-friendlies.
Yeah, it's the international break this
Into
weekend. So Zimbabwe is going to take on iNiger, le Burkina Faso. Mm.
akubabizeli i-squad lapha sibone ukuthi
Singakasibizi wena usibona njani? Angithi uyasazi ngendlela esibizwe ngayo for these friendlies.
hayi i-squad yani ngendlela esibizwe ngayo yani
Ah,
mina I think ukuthi njengama-friendly la akumelanga ubize abantu nabathi sinjani angathi sesifuna ithiwa yini i-COSAFA bona mawusithi wena uzathatha abantu wena uzabahambisa ku-COSAFA yibo kumele khathesi siqalise ukunjani
mm,
ukusebenza labo but as it is ungabona i-squad ukuthi yena ngokwakhe uthi labana abama-regulars laba like aboNakamba
Omunetsi.
abomnetsi uthi ubaphe i-rest
Eh,
uyabo but abantu uyakwazi abantu vele nge-squad vele akula muntu uyabe 100% ethabile because iningi le-Scotland uyabo. Then usubuza ukuthi but kulama-top goal scorer khathesi uNavaya
eish,
lo
no
Billy
Billy.
Villemo abakho ezithize uyabo. So ngamanye ama-questions abantu baze khathi why laba benjani bengekho because i-squad ngesefoma so sokuthi ubani kumele kube nguye ozasirepresenta ngoDisemba ku-AFCON hhayi. Kwesi la kungama-friend kubizwe o-Chisile
Mm.
sibone cause wonke umuntu ungumZimbabwean.
As we've always
Uyabona?
said.
Wonke umuntu ungumZimbabwean deserves a chance la ukuthi enjani e-represent. Wesile it's a friend. You
Eh,
try abanye maybe you never
ngama-friendlies.
know.
So
Uyabona?
kusiya ngokuthi yena ubakhangelele ukuthi ayenzeni for the upcoming game, not friendly. But mina I think for friendlies,
Mm.
it's a chance like you're saying ukuthi ubone some other
Yeah,
players.
exactly. Yikho lama engikutsho ukuthi at least la ungabona like local abantu that doing good.
Mm.
Awungeke uexpect ukuthi umuntu oyi-top goal scorer local uscoring week-in week out. La i-chance yakhe to represent ilizwe.
You understand?
Uyabona? Because at the end of the day uyagcina usubona ukuthi but ngaze ngitjhisa Mbizo. Uyabona? Like wantshona ngathi uSuchipezezi utjhisile abantu ba-complain abasewabizwa.
Abantu wagcina ebukelile i-episode leyana sishiya zithi i-Chippers ziyafunakala. So let me just go through the names that have been called. Goalkeeper labana we've Washington Arupi, we've got uChippers back, then we've got uMali Tabazi. Mina umfana nalo nguye umuntu
Eish umfana lo wevuse umsindo abantu bayakhala ukuthi khathi
mina
why umfana lo yena ebizwa yani
mina vele yena
engadlali.
exactly. Mina nalo
Uyabona?
umfana ngivelela ngiyakhala kona.
Mina engingakutsho ukuthi yena uthi since ngumfana omncane but I think la kumele ethole i-game time.
Ngamfake kuKhosafa.
Lami I thought ukuthi maybe bazamfaka kuKhosafa la abantu beke bembone
Exactly.
because abantu abakamboni beke
Ngamfake
bekwazi ukuthi
kuKhosafa.
kulowo mali.
Because
Uyabona?
khathesi by right igame le kuyame bamba uChippers. Is the goalkeeper in form.
Uyabona? But
Yabo.
manje uthi unumber one wakhe ngulo.
Vele ama-friendlies as we are saying, okay, let me continue then ama-defenders we've got Teenage Radebe, Gerald Dakwara, Monashe Garananga, Ishenis Mauchio, Peter Mdua, Godnose Murira, Emmanuel Jalai. Midfielders we've Mthokozisi Msebe, Kama Piliat, Richard Achiro, Jonah Fabish, Donald Mudadi, Sean Fusire, Daniel Nemadimi. Then we've got uBilly Antonio, lwana esasikhala ngaye uze wabizwa. Kuma-strikers Prince Dube, Tawanda Mazwanise, Walter Musona, Tawanda Macheke, Kadewere is back in the national team fold. So
Nje
that's the national team. Like you were saying, Guti Onakamba, omnetsi,
Omnetsi
uthe
since
uyabanika
yabani
omsona, uthe uyabanika ibreak.
i-break
Mm.
plus umsona vele uma-friendly yawo uyawufuna
Ufuna
ukubonana,
ukubona yikho phela
uyawufuna
ngikutsho ukuthi
ukubonana
ku-squad
naye man.
angazi i-thinking ukuthi as a coach yena ule-thinking yakhe, but ngokubona kwami mina nxa ngikhangelana, nxa ubiza i-squad for ama-friendlies, khathesi we've qualified for AFCON,
Eh,
eh, then we've got ama-World Cup, singathi i-dead rubber, ama-World Cup qualifiers.
eh,
I think it's your chance
to see
to see abanye
abantu.
abantu because uza-check ukuthi lesi squad lesi ngendlela asibize ngayo, the bulk of amabizo lawa uzawabiza futhi
Futhi
for serious games.
exactly. Yikho lami
So it
engikutsho
now defeats the
ukuthi
purpose.
exactly.
Uh,
'Cause kuyasongani i-club i-national team ukuthi
into esingayifuniyo.
already ileli bani lobani lobani yibo kumele bebe njani, bebe khona but as it is baningi like uyabona ukuthi ama-performers khathesi maningi. Uyabona like uMosi kunabantu abaphefomayo week
Abaningi.
in week
Nigel
out.
Martinez is not there. He's
Uyabona? He's
performing
performing week in week
brilliantly.
out brilliant and
Billy
bayawina.
Verem, you
Uyabona?
understand?
Yeah, so abantu bona labana labo at least if they get the touch yokuthi but
Befeel ukuthi national
sifile
team
i-national
injani.
team injani, uyabona? Kuyayenza amanye ama-players la yabona but national team kanjani kuyafikeka.
Kuyafika
But
exactly.
manje the way eyenzakala ngakhona wonke umuntu uyagcina esithi national team nje kunjani, kunzima ukufika kulabantu babo, uyabona?
Na Thambi, I don't understand
So,
i-logic kanisa. Then we
mm,
also have the COSAFA squad that was called by umfana lo uSimon Marangi, ucoach i-reserve ama-juniors e-Pirates,
eh,
ukhona ku-structure
u-structures
se-Orlando Pirates
Pirates
and
under 20.
ube-coach ama-under 20 national team,
Mm.
uSimon Marangi,
Nguye for
nguye coach
i-COSAFA squad
encedisana lolu phahla.
lolu phahla
Eh, but I like the fact ukuthi uLuiphahla they are now seeing him as that coach.
yeah. Athi obvious imisebenzi yakhe iyabe ibonakala ukuthi hayi
I think he should have been the head coach ahead of umfana lo. Umfana
umfana
lo
lo
one is based in SA.
uLuphahla is
uLuphahla
best.
is based.
But I think maybe umfana lo bathe bengu-head coach because yena ucoach abafana abancane since i-squad sibenzisa abafana abancane. So I think i-challenge ehle yayenzakala but since lo enjani wahamba lama-under 20 ngale wabiza futhi amaningi ama-under 20, yabo. So I think that's why bethe hhayi lo kabe ngu-head coach.
So i-squad sabo se-COSAFA sime so. We've got Martin Mapisa, I think deservedly so.
Eh,
uGorowe Moziba,
eh,
Joseph Kaunda, lo Tatenda kuthiwa nguChikoero wengezi. Then ama-defenders kulo Tashinga Mashonganyika we-Platinum, Allen Chapinduka Tier 1, Simbarashe Takaeza Tier 1, Andrew Mbeba nguye ohlala P.R. Mbeki kuthiwa
Campaign.
Captain, isapho kube kwayena khona eqalisa igame eDynamos. Then we've got u-Arthur Kaseke, lo Kuranashe Musani, kuma-midfielder lo kuthiwa nguKuranashe Musani kuthiwa udlala ku-Crystal Palace. Kanti aba-Crystal Palace laba kuyabe kuyibaphi
Asengamajujuju
hhayi,
njalo.
yazi Jay, I
Ah,
understand ukuthi yebo kulabafana bethu labantu abasezweni
asizini.
bayabafuna, but madoda okunye hhayi, yiphi i-Crystal
Eh,
Palace? Nxa kuthiwa Crystal Palace, Crystal Palace besiyibukela everyday.
akuyomele befake ngalo ukuthi Crystal Palace
Juniors or
Juniors,
reserves or
reserves. What
whatever, i-Palace yakhona.
i-Palace nasayo siyibone i-career
Ah,
efika.
kuyobuye vele uyayibona eBirmingham yazi into zeZimbabwe so time time. Kuthiwa kuma-midfielders kuno-Prosper Padera, yabona lo kuthiwa udlala eFinland,
Eh,
lo Menzi Mazwi,
weBirmingham.
uMenzi kuthiwa udlala kuBirmingham. Yazi so then kunoVusa Ngwenya eDynamos, uJunior Makunike oweSimba, then we've got uNisbet Muzenda Ngezi, Prince Ndlovu Highlanders, Kennedy Mupomba kuthiwa yiChelmford endlini. Kunzima. Then Kelvin Chigara Tier 1, then phambili Tino Tendameke weSimba, Matthews Chiweta Highlanders, Tanaka Munemo Ngezi, Thando Ngwenya Platinum, Tanaka Chirema Berry FC endlini, then uDenzel Mapuo we-Greenfield. I understand nje abafana laba abadlala emazweni siyabafuna.
Ngiyafika isikhathi se-COSAFA na-understand ukuthi bona bakwenza. 'cause uyabona abafana abakhona la, anti wena abafana like kuma-under 20 it's
Eh,
not ukuthi wena mawuhlala ibhentshi wena somele uyo-represent ilizwe ngoba umncane.
eh.
Akuvumi phela, 'cause kunama-performance week in week out ndoda,
Yikho
uyabona? 'Cause wena also wena ngathi sithi ubiza i-squad seCOSAFA and wabiza like maybe kubo-platinum, i-striker se-platinum but sile how many goals,
exactly,
uyabona?
exactly.
But ukhona umuntu already 9 ndoda. Phela i-COSAFA thina eZimbabwe yiyo kade sikwazi esiyithathayo.
Vele bithatha
Yiyo kade
gain,
sikwazi ukuthi yiyo yethu vele, ubona
gain.
u-Ovidio Karolo kade besiyakuna ngale besiyayithatha kuthiwa yini i-COSAFA le.
And
Kuthiwa
unga-check-a
uMofu phela nguye wayesesikwazi ukuthi vele i-COSAFA ngeyethu,
but
uyabona?
unga-check-a ngesikhathi sona esikhulumayo,
Eh,
ama-player amaningi asuke ku-COSAFA, labo-Chan unga-check-a uMahatsi.
ndoda
uMahatsi
maningi ndoda.
bebehlupha ku-COSAFA,
i-COSAFA
behlupha
ndoda,
ku-Chan.
i-Chan, uyabona into
Ama
engiyitshoyo?
so
So mina ngikwazi ukuthi sekutshintsheni khathesi ukuthi sithi, 'cause thina i-AFCON hayi to be honest ngeke siyithathe.
angeke siyithatha but ama-preparations angikhona yiko kade ngikukhuluma ukuthi right Tobi, kumele ube le-mandate
Eh,
ukuthi ama-player ngiwabizela i-COSAFA. What do I want to achieve with these players? Basuka ku-COSAFA baya ngaphi? Because
exactly.
ama-player lawa nxa ku-COSAFA, uwabona ku-COSAFA azadlala i-tournament nce they will play a maximum of 4-5 games. Mayafika ku-final nce 6 games,
Eh,
right. Ubususithi ama-players lawa e-COSAFA kumele ngiwabone mina njengo-head coach ngu-Michael Nisi, kumele ngiwabone ukuthi if they perform la,
eh,
kumele asuke la omunye ebe ekwanisa ukuthi 1 or 2 or 3 bengene
bengene
ku-squad sami.
ku-system.
You understand?
Eh.
Not ukuthi ngiyababiza for the sake of,
Of hhayi,
because
for
kumele kube
ukuthi
you
i-continuity,
understand, ngu-continue ukuthi okay, ngiyasuka ku-under 20, u-under
20,
23,
23,
23
3
ngiye
sense
ku-national, sengikwazi ukungena ku-national team. So ngasuka ku-23 ngiye ku-COSAFA, COSAFA sensiya ku-squad samaqini samampela. Ayikhona ukuphonga ubiza because wonke abafana lokho abakubizayo kuthiwa i-Chem40, kwathiwa
asisoke
engene.
sikubone
Lo
futhi.
udlala vele khona ngala kudlali.
Antsho uyabona.
Yena lo kuthiwa nge-Crystal Palace, yiphi i-Crystal Palace? Yabo, understand? But as you were saying wena, silabo Billy Veremo kade
Eh,
bathathe alright, uthi alright abakabi ready ukungena ngaphi.
ngale wathi
Mara ngibabone ku-COSAFA bebe
i-COSAFA,
le-experience yani
i-COSAFA
ye-national
ebekwazi
team
i-national
at least.
team kufila njani.
Onavaya nje
Eh,
bachisile. Kunama-player amaningi like
tjhe.
ku-right siyababona nampo lokhuze no-Junior Makunik. They are doing
They are
well.
doing well.
Bakhona
Yiko vele
ku-COSAFA.
ngikutsho ukuthi uyabona ukuthi hayi alright umfana uyenza kuhle, bembizela u-COSAFA.
Uh.
Then uhambe phambili uthi but Billy Veremo lo since ngale kakwananga, 'cause khathesi into efana anti sebethiwa ngubani u-Prince Dube I don't think u-withdraw-ile lo Achille
Ku-squad.
ku-squad.
Eh.
Bafaka ubani kanti? Bathethe uMasoni, uMsholi,
Umsholi.
bathatha lo Zugamanje,
Prince,
uyabona?
half
Of
Prince
which
ba-withdrawing.
i-injury I think
Ulimele.
ama-injuries, 'cause I think antsho yabona ukuthi as it is uZugamanje wena uzamthatha eGoli but already silabo oBhili.
UJuga manje umbizela i-COSAFA
Umbize
ku-squad
kwesamaqini,
squad. Oh, bese sithi akudelela uJuga manje. Uyabe sedelela. So those are the national
team,
teams abiziwe for ama-friendly and the COSAFA over the weekend. Then we had games that were played over lani kodwa lani. Jay, kanti why is it futhi ukuphambanisa?
Hayi, izosinceda i-point le
Hayi
ndoda,
madoda, no.
izosinceda
Hayi,
ndoda.
dlaleni ama-team.
Awe
Eh?
ndoda, hayi izosinceda nje. Eish
Hayi,
hayi uyalile
but ngizothi
ndoda.
belitshaya ebhuqwini.
Ndoda, hayi iground yakho nobhuqu.
So Southern Region phela kunzima.
Kuyafiwa, hayi.
Ama-ground.
Ama-ground phela,
Eh.
ama-ground kunzima.
You
Especially
only
away, uyabona ukuthi mali ye-away vele uyabokwazi ukuthi awusoke uhlangane ne-ground e-right.
lina lidlala ngcono nxa lisema-groundini asharp
Sharp
kuBulawayo.
kakhulu mostly, but ngale vele i-disadvantage yona le kunama-ground angikhona. Yeah, yabe lisema-ground.
Mhlambe la-draw le-main line,
Eh,
i-team eku-number 14
eish
kulokhu. Laba liphambanisile. Yazi bangikhupha umoya wami izolo. 0-0 nje. 0-0.
ndoda.
And khona uzibone i-1 yawina, sahle zalingana ama-points.
Points,
I was not happy nge-result eBulawayo Chiefs
Hayi,
eyayizolo. get 3 points madoda, khathesi sokunzima. Also ngapha i-Ajax sidla i-Zebra Revolution ekamkhokheli lewangela ewinile. So ilokhu yenu nina Bulawayo Chiefs number 19 iwangela 19 points. Then number 1, sorry, iwange
Mm.
number 2. We are all on 19 points. Then on third place we've got Bulawayo City sitting on 15 points. Then Bulawayo Warriors on 14 points. Mina I'm happy nge-Black Rock ekamthulisi.
Yeah.
It's doing an
He's doing
amazing. You see, if
eshaya
if
for
you
my play.
give young coaches
A
a chance,
chance.
they can prove ukuthi bafuna ukuba ama-better coaches
Which is
kusasa. Umthulisi is doing an amazing job laphana kulokhuzeni ku-Black
Black
Rock.
Rock.
Ngoba i-team le bamnike idlale 2 games, they lost 2.
Yeah.
Ibidlale 1 game,
One game plus anti ufike very pre-season
ibengayidlala i-pre-season.
engayizanga lapho.
Then yena wangena game number 2, they lost that game. So besezama ukujayela.
Ukubona
From there kakadliwa.
yeah,
It's gone on to win 4 games and 1 draw.
true.
He's
He's
doing
doing
well.
well.
Big up my brother Umthulisi Maphosa there. He's doing an amazing job. Kanye ise-4
Sewanga.
sewangani.
Sewanga.
Yeah, that's the Southern Region Division 1. Then we go to Northern Region. I-Northern Region sibone iNgombe Yarowa isidla i-Black Mambas 2-1. The onye uyi-team ongani wenza sharp i-Agama ukudle.
Eyagama
Yeah,
lapho
i-Agama
ngani
idla iMoza under
kuyafika.
19. Ilokhu yabo ime kanje. There is i-Agama at number 1 on 22 points. Then iMombe Yarowa number 2 on 21 points. Then we've got
Kuyafika.
i-Golden Eagles, the Chino on third and fourth on 20 and 19 points respectively. They've played 10 games.
10 games.
Yeah. Then there is ilokhuzeni South Central Region elabo Gwanda Pirates ekangozo,
Mm.
where we saw them. I think they had 2 games, but bebele midweek there.
Badliwe yisheshama midweek.
I think bebele midweek. Then over the weekend they played to a goalless draw. The
Le Platinum.
Gwanda Pirates been. It's a
Eh,
1 all. They
1-1.
drew 1 all, yeah.
Alright.
They drew 1 all. Ngozo that side is doing an amazing
Nice
job. Yeah. Ngoba i-team engene khathesi ku-Division 1 sitting position 3 on 17 points ile lokhuzeni. Kule game yabo lana eyagcina iphanjanisiwe
Iphanjanisiwe, le
le Shabana. So we see i-Central Region iShesham on 26 points, followed by Hard Rock, then Gwanda Pirates led to Libazimu tied on 17 points. That is the Central Region. Then there is a story that caught my attention over the weekend, Toby.
Yeah.
Wangu Mazote uke wayenza umsindo ngama-olive amaningi kakhulu. Uyakhumbula abantu iziphi zifuna ama-olive?
Iziphi ama-olive.
Ngutshomlo lona wakhipha ama-10 A's ezimanga esithi esithi
Uzokhala sithi hhayi mina sengiphuma la.
uthi ufuna ukuchiya ku-Eastern,
Uthi sefuna ukuphuma.
ku-Eastern Region uthi uyachiya yena. Uthi citing i-victimization i-Eastern Region ayimphathi sharp.
Sharp. Khanya ukuthi ungani kulento ezenzakalayo for amagame akhe yena. Plus ukhala ngeya-last year le ungeniswa kwe-triangle ukuthi hhayi bona bamenze
But yena nguye
sharp.
owazishawudela ama-player kodwa.
Yiko phela nami engikutsho ukuthi
Wayelead uThumlo nge-14
14
points.
points.
Yabo? Kumele
Until
ukuthi washawuda ama-player ama-team
ama-team
yaqalisa
aqalisa
ukudropha
ukuzidlela.
ama-point. Khathesi sesithi bam-victimize. Sefuna ukuchiya ku-Eastern Region. Yabona ukuthi abanye abantu they are not. Yike ngikukhuluma lokhuzeni yabo. Last season sithi uWangu Mazotse ngendlela angani uyazigqaja ngayo angani
He's not
ayimfeel
asowumuntu lwana une-passion ngebhola
yebhora.
ofuna ukutshintsha
Is in it
ibhola.
for,
Just maybe for ukuthi yena ulemali.
you understand?
Uyabona ukuthi umntwana obunguthanda ibhola asowumuntu one-passion to change people's lives
Ah.
ngebhola. Hhayi.
Nami
Because wona khathesi zithi if enga-withdraw ama-players wona lana kuyahamba njani. Ngabantu
uqhatshile abafana, abantu abanezimuli.
banezimuli.
Eish.
Khathesi kuphakathi kwesizini then at the end of the day abafana lana bayakuya ngaphi.
And you are contracted
Yiko phela
to.
kwakosokuthiwa ama-drugs ale-problem. Babafana
Because
usubabisela.
uyabe se-frustrated
Yabe
umuntu.
se-frustrated. Usubabisela futhi laphana endaweni ezingayisizo.
You understand?
Eh.
Hayi
So
uWangu
it's not
Mazotse must
okay.
relook that decision laphana ku-Eastern Region.
Belungise izinto zabo,
Ngoba akukho sharp
awukho
nje,
right
awukho
vele,
sharp.
it's not okay for i-football.
Vele awuphumi sharp. Then iZIFA continues to suspend ama-referees. Hhayi abamanga. But mina ngibonani kule selection because kulabanye o-ref ebengikhangela ukuthi bengasuspendwa. Last week sikhulume
Ngalwana
uKhwedisayo
eh,
nobhuti wakhe,
lo bhuti wakhe. Kanti abanye abasuspendiwe.
yabo? But this week ngibone basuspende owe-Caps owa-referee i-Caps ne-Dynamos.
I-derby leya.
To the Zimbabwe Football Association, ZIFA wishes to inform all stakeholders and members of the public of the suspension of referee Owen Manenda. After careful evaluation of the match played at Rufaro Stadium on 18 May 2025 between Dynamos and Cape United, it was established that a critical officiating error significantly influenced the outcome of the game. The conclusion was based on the match commissioner's report, which highlighted a decision made by the official that contravened the expected standards of performance in top flight football. In line with Article 22 of the Referees Code of Conduct and in pursuit of upholding integrity and accountability within the game, Owen Manenda has been suspended from officiating in Premier League soccer in Premier League matches from Monday 13 to match day 18, a total of 6 matches.
Mm.
ZIFA reiterates its commitment to fair play, transparency, and the continuous improvement of officiating standard across all levels of the game. ZIFA Media and Communications.
Okay.
Keep
Let's do it.
bensathi mina, my point is ngani kuyi-bias towards the big game, but ama-team wonke across board ayakhala ama-referees. We've been crying
Crying, kuna ama-refa
standard
a-decide
of refereeing.
kakhulu. Ama-refu khathesi sesisesaba lokuthi i-refu lama-refu ngenxa yakhona ukuthi kuyabe kule-influence, akwazi ukuthi i-influence yokuthi kuyabe iphiwa imali or uyabusa bani or uhamba njani. Because ungabona wona i-big game phela, i-big game u-Caps labo Dynamos
Dynamos.
yiwo ama-game angikhona. So ungabona sekule-problem vele, kusho ukuthi sekule-something.
We-still izifayitela i-relegation.
Ishilo,
Uref ebesesiba ngu-man
uyabona?
of the match
Match,
se-decide
angisho
i-game.
uyabona manje sokususpend u-ref.
Ngoba khanya ngani umbiko awunika i-Dynamos
ayisiwo.
ayisiwo.
And khanya futhi omunye umbiko wawuncicha i-Caps,
Eish,
wasenika yena i-Dynamos same umbiko. So vele uyahle ubone ukuthi into zangikhona.
but mina I feel okunye aso-standard oref beZimbabwe angazi ukuthi batrena ngani. Ngoba unga-check-a sibili umthetho webhola. That day besikhala kuyikhona igame ye-chicken in the triangle. Yikhona ye-triangle.
Eh,
Last minute i-triangle igeze khona uref uyaqeda igame. Abantu bajaye khona. Uref uthi prr prr prr.
hayi
Izolo bebukele i-Dynamos le-Highlanders. Another officiating error vele okutshengisa ukuthi abantu bemithetho abayazi. The player gets injured. Odokotela bangene bam-treat-e sharp 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 sharp. Yabani? Odokotela baphuma. Uref atshaya impembe, match continues. I-player leyana isiqeda uku-treat-wa ayikhitshwa phandle.
bekule yellow card.
Akula yellow card sen.
So it's wrong because laphana kuthiwa i-player lingakanjwa,
Bengaku-treat-a kumele uphume phandle.
bengawuthreat-a kumele uphume phandle.
Eh.
But ngakule yellow card uyakwanisa ukusala
Bekungela yellow.
so ma ungela yellow kumele
Kumele iphume phandle. So ngiyazibuza mina, otsho labo. Umthetho webhola kahle kahle bayazi. IZIFA eyayenza amakhosi ibafundise sharp sharp otsho
but
abanye.
I think bayenza yikho
Isinqumo
ngitsho
siba
ukuthi yuba ignorant to ama-rules ebhola. Ukhona ukuthi mina I'm the main
But uyakupase njani?
uyabugijimile fitness mda.
But kubo-ref
Fitness mda.
kubo-ref I think iZIFA kumele ihlale phansi labo-ref umuntu asuspendwe engarefuli total.
Yeah.
Because kulamanye ama-mistakes angavumiyo.
Ukuthi khathesi vele you can't get away with it because abantu sebebona kuma-videos. Uyabona i-problem esikhona khathesi ukuthi vele akusamelanga kube anjengona kefana lo-ref otshayela imosi yesikoti ohle waba le-injury.
Bese sazofika khona.
So uyabona o-ref vele every week sebku-front page vele yona le yesi-trend eka-ref. but ngasikhuluma ngokuthi Billy Verem what what but sesikhuluma ngo-ref owile.
Urefu lwana ke uyi-proper injury
Eh,
or
yiyo phela abantu sebecabangele eKairo liyana ukuthi u-ref
uyakhumbule urefa wayo.
wawayo athi igame ingapheli.
But urefa into abasenzela
Mawufuna
zona.
ukubona ukuthi imithetho vele nje into ezenzakala eZimbabwe, uyeKairo u-ref wawa kwathiwa ibhola linga-continue, but le li-continue.
104 official vele bekhona.
Exactly
Kumele angene
man.
refuni.
Simple ndoda, ilibhora ndoda.
Last season wayengalokhuzana. Hayi sawubona
So
nje
yiko
ya.
ngitsho ukuthi ibhora sometimes maybe i-ignorant kumbe uhamba njani ku-ref athanda. And ngathi sebe-exposed ngenxa yokuthi yonke into internet fast.
You
Uyabona?
understand?
But
Ama-videos.
kudala nyona uzothiwa siqiniwe. Uthi
Ungala
hayi
muntu
ulamanga
oboneleyo.
wena.
Abantu bethi liyawumana.
Umuntu ethi hayi ulamanga asiqinwanga.
But respect for the game.
Kakhulu.
Zifa must look into it. Urefu bengabe ama-man of the match.
Eh.
Then with women's game, Cherry Islanders, the Mphosa ezangapha.
Ngapha.
Islanders iwinile. Unfortunately Chapungu yabulala
Imphosa. Hayi
Imphosa.
Chapungu vele ngine-experience abalayo ndoda. Hayi hayi. Ndoda kunomunye manje umuntu ayibheki weChapungu. Ndoda ngani ngoHakimu. Ndoda ngani ngoHakimu.
Ukhona ku-national.
Lana vele zathi zamdinga ukuthi ukhona ngala.
Eh,
Ngabe ngubukela maybe 20 minutes. Ndoda i-confidence zangikhona ndoda. Urayibheki straight.
uyachova.
Uyachova ndoda.
That's good to uthi ibhora lethu liya-improve.
Plus hayi
Kubomama.
balokhoja ulokhu uzeni uyakhoja. Kuthiwa ngubani lo? nguQuincy.
Ukhwinje uChapungu
uChapungu
u-national team coach. Oh,
nguye
uChapungu.
uChapungu. Ngikhoji uyabona la isitatsha kuze hayi le experience kuze lone shamba bakhona ngale.
So iChapungu iqinile.
Iqinile.
So yiyo le rentals ebafazini
Yeah,
kuyafika.
kuyahanjwa.
Kuyafika. Labo Tongo phela eziningi ezamasosha.
Labo Tungu, Chapungu, yeah.
Eziningi vele army based ama-police. Then to the Premier Soccer League over the weekend, matches played over the weekend. Kwazi tu. Saturday bekufiwa. Saturday bekuhanjwa. Saturday le bekungazwana na with many interesting matches played over the weekend. We know ezizo ebezile attention with Dynamos the Islanders ezidlala izolo. But on Saturday with so many interesting games and the game of the week being Ilokhuzeni, Imozi the Scotland, we touch base over. Let's just get through the results nje ayenzakale ngeSaturday with iZPC Kariba le yada
Leyada.
labana nangutshele
Hayi straight.
iZPC yaqeda ngoba kuwom vele
Very
they proved ukuthi
ukuthi they are ruthless.
badleki. Then the surprise game ebengayicabangeli i-Renters idliwa iBikiti
Lana vele surprise and
eRufaro
Rufaro.
2-0
But I've realized ibhikiti simple.
iBikitani
Simple.
ngoba wasikwazi ukuthatha ama-points away
Hayi simple.
ngoba i-Renters woma ayidleki.
Ayidli. Ayidli. Wesi 2.
Then ngakujela wayenza inkani lawo inkani time uthi uMapezi uyathatha i-3 points. Yes, i-tail one bengayazi but ngendlela vele iPlatinum bedlala ngayo.
It was bound to happen.
You understand?
Ithole la i-3 points.
Ngoba ibichova but
bebengakwanisa ukuthi bethole njani
i-3
i-3
points
points but akathisi.
because you know umboli igedi bavala. Yabona bona bahlise kanjani.
i-draw ya.
Bekuswela nje beqedisa.
Beqedise.
So we saw i-FC Platinum beating i-Tail
Ithele
1
one.
1-0 eLokhuzeni. Yascored.
Yes-good.
Yeah, then eSakuva Ian Bakala la wazitholela first 3 points.
First 3 points.
Esidla iManika.
Imanika,
And
ndoda.
this one was tricky.
Ndoda. Last minute. Wow.
Utombani
Ushandiro.
Ushandiro. There's really dull match. Every negative thing you want to say about that game kwenzakala.
Eish,
I don't think ukuthi
hhayi chicken namambona ukuthi ezasukuma cause yiyo phela ama-points esabe siwakhangelile home la.
Jay, mina angazi ukuthi what more can I say nge-chicken? Hhayi,
Manje benze
triangle bra.
yiko phela mina ngikutsho ukuthi lana it was supposed to be a boost for them eLuveve kwe-home cause anjengabona i-triangular they are struggling, uyabona? But i-chicken vele as it is ungathi maybe usukhangela pound for pound ama-players and stuff, uyathi i-chicken they are better than triangle
They're
and
supposed to be
they
very
are supposed to win at home.
eh,
But ungabona bona sebesehluleka home mdala,
chicken is struggling.
sekunzima ndoda cause at least njengoba kuyomele
At home they
be-away
struggle.
nje. Ah,
Jala they fail to beat vele angazi ukuthi ngithini ngoba bekuwozela ngaze ngiwozela.
maybe yiko besithi bafuna utshintsha i-ground, hhayi abatshintshe sibo.
Then the game that was, I've always told you ngeMoz. I've always told even our
Ah,
viewers, those
hhayi
that
Muzi
haven't
nami
watched,
hhayi.
those that haven't watched iMoz, please, please ngiyacela one day nje ungezwe i-fixture eleMoz,
Hambe uyobukela
hambe
mdala.
ebukele iMoz.
Hhayi Muzi nami ngatsho ngathi hhayi esikhundleni ngeke idle Muzi. Even sokwenjani hhayi.
Wabona the thing that we always talk about ukuthi let's not make igame ibe igame nje. Let's try and improve. Jake, I liked what was happening in Norton.
Hhayi it was
Did you see
nice.
ama-fan packs?
Ndoda.
Big screens, egasi.
Hhayi it was
Stadium
nice.
sisigcwele. They made ama-plans ukuthi those that cannot
Watch behambe
behambe
beyobukela
kube nama-fan kube
ibhola.
nama-big screen abantu so that they can watch.
Watch.
Kwakugcwele njani?
Ndoda. Ngitshela ukuthi
So
imagine i-sold out almost imbe Thursday, Friday amatiki.
yes, about that issue as well.
Yabo
About that
ukuthi
issue as well.
ukuthi
So nje uthi i-Premier Soccer League iziyamelela igame between iMoz
Muzi
neScotland.
to start
to-
selling tickets, it's not joking. Vele I see.
We've been having
Vele
what
khona ukuthi sihambe siyolayinile ukuthi ubhadale.
Ngokwakudala.
Kwakudala
Ngokwakudala.
kwakudala ndoda.
We've been having Dynamo's Caps, Islanders, Caps United, big teams.
Since
Abazake bethengisa amatikiti
ticket
prior.
online avela kula. Vele kuqalise khathesi lokhu ukuthi sibone kubhalwe sold out. Thina besijaye ukuthi sold out ubona ngase-ground usungasakwanisi ukungena usume phandle sokuthi hhayi.
And into leyana Dopi wathi eyinye okunceda ukuthengisa amatikiti before igame, amatikiti engathengiswa e-ground. Uzaba kwathi ukuthi amatikiti amangaka athengiswe.
Athengiswe,
Not ukuthi bese
exactly.
becabanga uzothiwa i-BF kulabantu abayi-10,000
10,000.
but thina sibona abantu abadlula 20,000.
Uyabona? Okuthi somele limelele kukhawuntwe abantu ukuthi kungene njani. But imagine by Friday selikwazi ukuthi sold out. Namatikiti
Uyakhumbula Jay Tena sathi singene e-BF sawuthola 220 pen.
anje uyabona. Uyabe ebala ukuthi
Ebala
one.
ungathi 1 ebhala ngepheni.
Anje uyabona into zakho vele ndoda khathesi sekune-technology ndoda khathesi even online abantu uyabathengisela amatikiti but uyabona singatshoni siye ground ukuthi lamuhla sobe sephumile amatikiti.
You understand?
Uyabona siyafika o-Friday uyabe usukwazi ukuthi
They should
sethengisiwe.
do that.
Uyabona?
Or otherwise they should have done that vele kudala. Not ukuthi
Eh.
bemelele because vele it raise ama-eyebrows ukuthi why bemelele uMozi yabo ongama-team okuthi ongene kathesi.
Ndoda.
Ukuthi beqalisa ukufaka
Wesi imagine khonapho bayenza njalo ngeSunday
kule Battle of Zimbabwe. Dynamos versus
Zimbabwe.
Islanders. Akula amatikiti
Akula
athengiswe before igame.
anje uyabona ukuthi vele into esiyasiyenza kula.
Ukudlala. Why that game?
Yikho phela ngikutsho why iyodwa yena le.
Why that game?
Eh.
The coming weeks uzabona kungela amatikiti athengiswa online.
Avela kusela. Kuze sizamelela futhi igame yena le. Nxa kuzayenzakala because khanya iMozi yona they are good at entertaining abantu. Uyabo? Because you could see la even e-stadium ukuthi but la uyafiwa la.
We saw yikho engikhuluma ukuthi most they make their games an event even from Friday. Wabona ogege from Friday.
Kodwa yabe uhanjwe okhekhe ndoda they are doing their job ndoda.
Proper.
They are doing their job proper ndoda ngabona ba-invite abantu be-cricket and stuff. Uyabona abantu laba ndoda they know
Kuhle
what they are
lokhuya.
doing.
ukuthi
they know what
other
they're
teams
doing.
should copy even obo-Highland ePhini,
Mm.
they should start copying.
Iyalenda vele ndoda vele yiyo okumele ukuthi ngayizithengisela amathikithi online, thengisa amathikithi because they know ukuthi abantu bazabuya e-stadium.
Lokhuyana but kuyabe kuwumsebenzi we-Premier Soccer. I-Premier Soccer League yiyo
Uyabo
they must make sure ukuthi tickets for all matches are
but
sold.
lokhana it's not about i-communication ye-club lelo because
Ye-Premier
obvious
Soccer League.
Omozi
But kunomthetho vele omele ufakwe. Ungachecka
mm,
even eduze la kumakhelwane eGoli.
eh.
Tickets are sold athengiswe e-stadium.
Vele akula
Uhambe
khonoko no.
uzithengela
O-Pick
Pick
and
n Pay,
Pay,
ufike
uthenge
uzithengele
ngabo-Checkers,
you understand? Ufike uzithengele
uyazithengela
itikiti.
ithikithi lawo,
EZimbabwe
uyabona?
kumele ube njalo.
Yinto vele
Kuzaba
ekumele ibe
easy
khona,
even for i-Premier Soccer League ukuthi bekwanise ukunjani.
kungabi lelosi.
Yes.
Uyabona ukuthenga
Eh.
amatikiti because wena ungafaka amatikiti akebe yi-20,000 wa-distribute. Okay, what mawufuna ukuthenga maloku uze to the nearest, okay, on the online,
Uyakwazi futhi lokhuyana kuyenzani?
uyabo?
Kwenza ukuthi even eground ilokhuzeni ivulwe amagedi
Avulwa
avulwe
early.
early. Umuntu uyabe ebuya enetikiti yakhe akalayini ufike
Awulayini.
ezingenela just produces itikiti
Wena
azingenele.
usudabula usungena. Manje
Simple.
khathesi somele uthi ngi-change ye-20,
Le
ye-50,
issue ye-change.
ye-100. Uyabona
Sa
i-$3 uzothiwa kula madola.
njengabona abantu
Uyayenza njani?
igame
Uyabe umile
igame ye-Ireland ye-Rangers, we-Ireland yadliwa khona.
why not?
Ama-supporters e-Rangers angena nzima kumele a-change.
Dude,
So
'cause
udinga wona ama-change
nje
but khayena ngabe kuthiwa amathikithi athengiswa early,
early
athengiswa from Monday. Knowing ukuthi ngisiyazithengela isitshebo sami,
sami
ngihle
ngithenge
ngithenge
ithikithi
itikiti,
lami.
ngizigcinele itikiti lami. It will make ilokuze but back to the game. We saw Mo's defeating Scotland 1-0. Billy Veremo on target.
And
Wayibona njani igame leyo? Did you watch it?
game ngapha ngibona ama-glimpse lami ubonge ubona ukuthi hhayi, angizange ngayibukela lokhwana ukuthi 90 minutes.
Kunomunye umuntu wayesezama ukuzidefenda wathi ama-player lawa abizwe ku-squad ayemuzi abengafuni abengafuni ukufaka besaba ukulimala ukuthi bambale
Awula lokhu
anti
ndoda.
wayese-defend i-Scotland. But
Ndoda laphana badliwa.
I think Lloyd Mjaza is proven
Vele
ukuthi
he's done his job
is a
nje.
proper gaffer.
Hayi, he's done his job.
Eh,
Kwesinye isikhathi laphana ube zama kuyale but akathizi is proving hhayi, he's
'cause
done a good job.
ngabona uKhama bemshaya i-tactic vele
Eh.
kuyilahla mdala umuntu kumhlezi la omsebe vele babetshele oPeter Mdwala emuva oBilly Veremo
Shikapani ngabona
begijima
igobholo eyangenayo lana,
uyahlupha uchomi lo.
yabona igobholo lana I think bona babengamakanga kuhle labo, ungakhangelisa kuhle kuhle vele layethu abantu bebholo wachile vele.
But i-pressure nje,
Mm.
i-pressure
Hayi vele ndoda ungathi impilo ile-pressure ndoda,
eh
ukuthi usukume khathesi uyi-pressure.
okuyi-team lokuyana okubathwalisa enzima ungabaniki vele i-breathing space.
Hhayi bona labana babuya beyifuna igame leyana. I think Imo's wanted it more than
Yes,
i-Scotland.
uNdira utsho njani?
I think they wanted more
uTondera Ndira
because
utsho njani?
because uyabubona la ukuthi i-effort phela sometimes i-effort leya
Eh,
ingabaningi things iyabuya kwi-favour yenu but
uTondera Ndira la utsho njalo uthe i-Mozi wanted it more than
i-Scotland.
iScotland.
Because sometimes when I was told, it will be walking in the park, but uzica
Ah,
abantu wena
akuphunywe
awukho.
ngoni marara. Big up
Ah,
to iMozi Football Club for that win over
over
and vele
Scotland.
it was bound because what happened beku-Division 1.
One, it was a crash match.
Vele it was a grudge match.
Vele it was a revenge match liyani yokuthi hhayi man, size sangena ama-Premier nzima
Nzima
la
ngenxa yabantu laba.
yabantu
Thina
laba
yithi
thani
okumele singene.
singene.
Yes.
So ngcono sisekle down yonke into.
Umlimo la vele the football coach wanted iMozi iwine.
Imozi izwile.
Eh, akabona hayi cha but nje into engiyithanda one thing I like about elokhuzeni eNorton i-support base
Ndoda
yeMozi.
laphana ndoda kuyahanjwa ndoda. Cause
Every
eNorton antshi wabona ukuthi eNorton bekungela lokhwana ibhora lokhwana, uyabona into ezinjengazonalezo.
eh
But khathesi sebele opportunity labo yani. So wonke umuntu ndoda vele uya ebhoreni.
wonke umuntu
wonke
enothando
umuntu
usupport
izweli
iMozi.
imfundo Damozi. So ngani uthi kusezweni, uyabona ezweni ukuthi
Into engincanywa
mina
ngayo.
ngwaliseManchester lonke tene Manchester.
You understand?
Welcome to Benaya Foods, your trusted supermarket where quality meets affordability. From everyday essentials to beauty products, we have got you everything you need under one roof. But that's not all. We take pride in producing our own high-quality mealie meal and nutritious soya beans, ensuring you get the best straight from us to your table. With great prices, friendly service, and a commitment to excellence, shopping has never been this easy. Step in today and experience convenience like never before. Benaya Foods, the Royal Pantry.
Game.
Yiyo igame.
More than
More than yes. Vele
iDynamos
abantu abakwazi ukuthi besidlala.
serious.
Omunye umuntu vele akwazi ukuthi
And
even
serious.
umuntu osemakhaya lwana osemakhaya ubekwazi iScotland leMozi. But uthi yayilenda le Dynamos besidlala. Hayi akula nto.
How the
But kudala yiwe sasikwazi ukuthi Dynamos ayilenda ndoda vele awuhluma ukuthi nenyali bukela.
how the mighty have fallen.
Because yona kwakugcwala ndoda. But kathi Rufaro mjana eish.
Behle kugcwalisa even
Ndoda mbone kumbe la
Stadium.
online nje ikhali sithi Dynamos hamba nebholeni.
iRufaro ukugcwalisa iRufaro yalinda le Dynamos seziyehlulile.
Imagine. But kudala i-national sports liyana
Yayincane.
yayibeyizama liyana.
Yayincane.
Ya ndoda kugcwele ndoda. But asazi ukuthi uhambe. But I think it's an eye opener for ama-big teams. Ukuthi bebone ukuthi abalungi. Because i-problem yama-big teams zethu khathesi they want to build. This year we are building. Next year we are building. Next year we are
Kumarket
building.
ama-players abacompete.
Yiko phela ani bona bathi bayabhida.
You can't build every year. proper kumarket abasekho like
Abakho.
labafana abayibo aba-serious ngebhola abasela that ntshukuntshu ukuthi umuntu uyaprefer ngone edlala ku-D1.
Into vele siyenzakala
Ngeke-
most of the time.
ngeke
Wekwayilini. Into
ngeke
siyenzakala.
uDynamos. Because Jake, to the field of play, vele uyala ukuthi is this Highlanders and Dynamos eground ngebhola lidla. Ibhola lakhona lize laphela. I think the only two people that I saw ongabaqamba, it was the battle of the short guys, Mafios Lochalai. Those are the people abebengane basegame like proper. Okunye yebo but bekunzima. But umfana lwana uMafios is the one to watch. That boy is the gem. Because Ujala is a national team right back. He did not show even any respect. Ayingamrejishi. Amchonele. Yona i-match as a whole it was a dull game. Yongani bayisabana ngani vele bekunzima. Although even i-Ireland dominated, Dynamos it's no longer very bona the two teams are no longer the teams.
Hayi o-management bangikhona
Awubona even i-PSL yathi igame lokudlala ngo-2.
ngehla ngo-2 game le.
Kase ngo-2 o'clock.
Yes.
Ngo-4 bese liphelile. Antabona ukuthi vele bayebebona ukuthi
Hayi sa-respect. I say that yiko ujense uyabona ukuthi kuyafana wena singahamba alright eGoli la. I-Chiefs was not doing well. But
khangela
uyabona ukuthi yona leyo
you understand the fact ukuthi it's a derby.
It's
still a derby.
still a derby. Vele
Yasezimbabwe-
ungazenzeni. Uyabona?
I was expecting that between i-Ireland and
Le Dynamo.
vele
Uyabona ukuthi
bengamelanga sikhulume ngeMozi leScotland. Kudlala i-Ireland leDynamo.
vele akuyenzi. Ngathi kuyala even uma uthiwa udlala i-Sundowns kumbe lani. But as long kule Chiefs le-Pirates.
Mdala.
Yonke into imile ndoda. Yonke into imile. Wonke umuntu uye-stadium.
I think you are right. The two
Uyabo-
teams, the executives of the two teams, Islanders and Dynamo, must go back to the drawing board.
Because uyabona ukuthi yona let's be honest here. Chilapha
Mm.
wena usiyadlala igame le. What did the Islanders do to market igame le? What did Dynamos do to market igame le?
Zero.
Uyabona? Because ezithi ama-supporters azondile awe-Dynamos and stuff. But what did you do to show ukuthi hayi but we want to
Was
try
still-
this.
Was still the champion.
Uyabona?
Not the champions per se, but was still the big guns.
Exactly. Uhambe kwenziwe ama-road show, kwenziweni.
Comparing
uyabona?
to Imozi, Scotland.
Vele $3 bebhora leli.
3.
The cheapest ticket.
Engoni vele iyi-5.
Uyabona?
It was
Ele
sold out Wednesday, Thursday.
yiko vele kuthiwa ukuthi they have to work hard to bring back the glory leyani esiyaziyo leyani
But if they
ye-derby.
continue in direction abakuyo, I don't see them.
Lama I don't see the movie.
Ama-team la evuka lawo. Amboni.
Ukuthi iya elendaweni lelakhe because ama-fans ayo ilana ukuthi hayi
Loyal, alenda is
they are
i-crush.
loyal. Uyabona? But manje ku-Dynamos ngendlela abayenza ngayo le
Then last game we saw eBata Stadium, iKwekwe drawing 1-1 le Greenfield. Taking a look at the log table, Moz still sits on top. The sebevula gap blind.
sebengani
Sebechiya iSimba nge-4 points. Yabo? Then on third position, bale game lana
echicken
chicken we-reference izidayela i-penalty engasathathwanga. I think vele bazabanika ama-points. Labo they will go on 26 points. So still iMoz yabivula igap ye-4 points.
points.
Then ZPC Kariba doing so well. Now sits on 4th position with tied on 22 points there. Renters is 4th and 5th. Then bottom 4, we've got Iada 11 points, Dynamos 10 points, Triangle 9 points, Kwekwe United 8 points. I-win lana ibone i-Caps iphuma kulokhu zeni isiyaba on 13 points the Chicken Inn. So i-Chicken Inn layo ngibona kusasekubi lapha.
Hakubi ku-chicken
Yeah.
Kubi
That's the
phansi
top
ama-
4 and the bottom 4. And this weekend, unfortunately, due to national team
national
break,
team.
Akulama Castle Premier Soccer League, I think it will take a break to pave way for
For
national
a
team.
national team. I think 1 or 2 one.
I think it will pave way for a national team. Then it will resume that other. So I think the fixtures.
Sakhuluma
Now that other week, the coming episode. So that was the action that happened over the past weekend. Moving on, I think we're done. I think we're done for this. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Also, comment section lapana. Please keep on engaging us. Siyawuthanda okwenzakalayo. We're happy with the new. Please, the new viewers. Now, subscribe this week. Uqalisa ukubona, or this is your first time. Please share. Tshela abangani bakho ukuthi there is this interesting podcast ebhora le-Zimbabwe, i-Pass and Move. Tshela abangani bakho, betshela abangani
Abangani
bakho.
bakho.
Ifamily ikhule. Yeah. We like
sithole
what's happening.
ama-sponsor, eh?
You understand? Bencedisa ibhe bengathwalisa ibhe ibhe ingathwali nzima. Otherwise, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.
Ciao.